42nd Intramuros Grand Marian Procession 2023 captured moment by Catalicong Litratista.
Nuestra Señora Patrocinio de María. This image arrived in 1599 in the coastal town of Napulco, Cebu, province now known as the municipality of Bologon. When the ivory image, known as Chi, was brought to Manila for repair in 1875, a replica was made and called Mestiza. Both images were on the ship back to Cebu when severe weather forced the captain to unload cargo. An Agustinian priest guided the passengers to pray before the Virgin until the seas calm and they all arrived safely in Cebu. Every second Saturday of November, she was crowned on April 23, 2020. I wish to thank Monsignor Arturo Navales, the parish priest of the Archdiocese of Diocesan Tribe of Patrocinio de María Santísima. We would also like to thank former Honorable Mayor of Bologon, Cebu, Honorable Diogenes Guerrara.
Nagimaya ka Maria, nagulo ka sa grasya, ang Ginoon Diyos makakakami mo, bulahan ikaw sa mga ukait ka na, ubulahan ang sa mahal na bunga sa tiyan mga teso. Nagimaya ka Maria, nagulo ka sa grasya, ang Ginoon Diyos makakakami mo, bulahan ikaw sa mga ukait ka na, sa mahal na bunga sa tiyan mga teso. Maya samahan sa anak ko sa Espiritu Santo.